The Soweto Derby is finally upon us, and for the first time, Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates matters. Both teams have something to lose from this one, and both teams have something to gain from this one. Which team, though, has a better coaching structure? Which team has a better defensive structure? Which team has produced the most impactful players in the last 5 years? Which team deserves to win it the most? Bafethu, welcome to another edition of Mkuli versus Mdu. Ngiphethe out le Chiefs la ifaka ama specs mara kayiboni kahle game khamba.
Thank you bafethu. Siyabonga abantu ababukela abajoinile. Obviously sikhuluma ngematch enkulu bafethu, the biggest feature on the continent, not just in South Africa nje kuphela, abaningi abantu okumele baziprove ku Soweto Derby. Igame ke le esizoyidlala noma ezodlala this weekend. Igame yakhona unpredictable kakhulu. Siyazi ukuthi Soweto Derby noma kuthiwa umuntu uhleli ku number 14 ku number bani, but iOrlando Pirates siyazi ukuthi strong njengoba siya kule game leni strong and powerful. At the same time iKaizer Chiefs, they have nothing to lose. Angithi abanye bathi bazowina ileague bona for 8 years straight but bazoyiwin. So abane pressure iOrlando Pirates cause yibo kumele bakhethe kuMamelodi Sundowns. iKaizer Chiefs nje bona ama underdogs kule fixture le, futhi na ku league akekho umuntu obabhekile, but siyasobona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani abafana. Ngicabanga ukuthi bazomisela kakhulu cause bayazi ukuthi ama careers abuildwa ngale fixture le A1. Ungeke udlala isizini yonke, kuyenzeka sometimes ungadlala isizini yonke, but le game le inga change everything. Is it gonna be uSilva na uzokwazi ukuyipunish iOrlando Pirates? Sikhumbule maqala isizini ukuthi bathi ibicycle lakhe lihambi kahle,
lamba kahle lapha emuva makakhahlela ama defender wabantu siyamazi umloyisani kwenzakaleni. So asiqale lana ke indaba. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates is not under pressure to win this one. Whatever happens on Saturday, Orlando Pirates remains number 2, but Kaizer Chiefs could fall out to top 4 whatever happens, because Richards Bay namazulu bala basetuzane neKaizer Chiefs, and Kaizer Chiefs has more pressure to win this one, because if Chiefs I win ikushuta ni ku CAF number 1. Remember, now we are fighting for a place ku CAF, needing in top 3, because iNedbank Cup nihlulekile ku defender. You understand? So if Chiefs I win lama back-to-back derby la, Chiefs is in trouble. So Orlando Pirates is safe. Orlando Pirates na Mamelodi Sundowns bayalingana nama points. The only difference is that Mamelodi Sundowns has 1 goal ahead of the Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates afika lapha yasha 1-0, Orlando Pirates moves to the top of the league. Orlando Pirates afika lapha yasha 2-0, Orlando Pirates yaphezulu. So Orlando Pirates doesn't have pressure going to this game. Kaizer Chiefs needs to win it the most. Kaizer Chiefs can't afford le lama Caesar kick lama flying kick waka Jackie China waka Silva emuva. Yabona if nadlala Silva kule game le Niyodliwa baba, iSilva adlala kule game le.
Inkinga yeOrlando Pirates na inkinga yeOrlando Pirates njengoba ngishilo ukuthi strong, ipowerful. Orlando Pirates scam seteam bafethu ibhekeni kahle. Mabaqala igame bayagijima ngathi baku marathon or ku sprinting ngo Usain Bolt. Second half itempo yabo iya drop bafethu. So my drop kanje ama teams ke yakwazi ukubalanda straight. Labantu bagijima for 50 minutes kuphela seyiphelile indaba yabo. Angibaboni mina bane chance ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwina ileague. Siyabazi ukuthi ama best number 2. Niyamuzwa iBrahim Mdu. Uyasho ukuthi labantu laba noma kuthiwa bayawina bawini bahlalela ku number 2, but iSundowns ihle ibashanga goal difference. Njengoba iSundowns eyihleli lapha na phezulu, asinandaba thina ukuthi iSundowns ihleli phezulu kanjani. Ucoach wethu ibeke straight bafethu. They are fighting for a top 5. Yabo, so thini ke thina siyama fan sesitsheliwe lapha ukuthi they are fighting for a top 5. Babuya ku number 9 or number 1 last season. So achievement already for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi be ku top 4 this season, nanokuthi kube ne chance ukuthi abantu bayabona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ingenzeka ukuthi win ileague. Mina inkosi yami ngiyathanda ukudefend iKaizer Chiefs, but I mean asithatheni number 3 bafethu. Orlando Pirates yazi ukuthi ngeke win ileague, bane pressure ukuthi bawine le game le, but ngeke bayishaya iKaizer Chiefs kuma derby boy 2. Ubani ozokora kuOrlando Pirates? Uyamazi uMbothuma niyadlala nini uzothi umreplace bani? Evidence makhopa.
Asiqalela. The reason the Orlando Pirates playing against Kaizer Chiefs has no pressure because they're playing against a development team. Chiefs team develop, team esazama ukuhlanganisa. That's why ucoach wabo akhulume ngeconfidence ukuthi athina silwele number 5. Akanathemba lokuthi naku CAF, akanathemba lokuthi naku top 2, akanathemba lokuthi izowina ileague. When the season started ngisho kahle ngathi Chiefs ayikho into ezoyiwina ngalama coach wabo ayi2 kule season le. Nihlulwe icup lenu iToyota Cup.
I think into ebulala iKaizer Chiefs kakhulu. Into ebulala iKaizer Chiefs. Lalela ngifuna relax. iKaizer Chiefs beyidlala iCAF. iKaizer Chiefs beyidlala iCAF, iOrlando Pirates idlala eDurban.
After isikhathi esingaka.
iKaizer Chiefs beyidlala iCAF. So ukutravela kweKaizer Chiefs kuyibulele vele momentum. I mean ifatigue. Uyakwazi ukundiza, angikhuluma uhamba ngebus leli elinomuthi phakathi uyelena boma Eastern Cape. Ngikhuluma ngokuye Egypt la. So asiwaxoleleni ama player bafethu sobona kahle next season. season yabo asizameni ukucompete for at least i-top 3 ukuthi sibuyele ku-CAF uQueen Kawushilo ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayibuyeleleni le ku-CAF cause ziningi izinto abafundile lapha ku-continental football angeke vele ibe strong Orlando Pirates kufana ne-team beyidlala bomampumalanga kuphela abanye badlala ko-Egypt.
So iOrlando Pirates ihambile yayidominate eEgypt. Umhawunkotha une-record.
Ngo-1920 angikhumbuli mina ngikhumbula 1920.
Wahamba uRilebohile Mofokeng at 20 years wayodominate eEgypt. He dominated the biggest club in Egypt, Al Ahly. We can't say the same ngeKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs bafethu sishilo oqala isizini ngeke iwin iToyota Cup abayiwinanga. Ngeke badefend iNedbank Cup abayidefendanga. They're not in the title race. It's a dream bheka manje. Baya ukule good number 8. iKaizer Chiefs is fighting for top 8, not top 5. Coaching system yako Kaizer Chiefs is swag ifile. La madoda lawa bahluleka ukwina by 2. They playing against one coach. Wabdeslam Owadu.
I think
against one coach. Wabdeslam Owadu has better depth and has better players than the Kaizer Chiefs. Urilebohile Mofokeng I1 is better than the whole team Kaizer Chiefs. It's a fact, not an opinion.
Rile Mofokeng if awurile Mofokeng nami ngiyamthanda umfana yabo if awumthanda uRile Mofokeng unomona but when it matters the most uRile Mofokeng uyanyamalala asimboni bafethu noma uyi-magician kwesinye awumbone egroundini uRile Mofokeng uyanyamalala makuba ama-matches are important especially this season uRile Mofokeng sikhumbula ukuthi ubuya ku-CAF ngiyamthanda umfana but emagamini amakhulu la kumele akwazi ukuthwala i-team uyahluleka angazi ukuthi uphazamise ukuthi Orlando Pirates imholela ama-peanuts but Orlando Pirates ngeke iwini league bafethu akuna chance unumber 2 ngiyabanika yabona ku-number 2 bake bayithola isilver njengoba bengishilo last week ku-number 2 ngiyabanika iKaizer Chiefs into nje kumele bazame ukuphazamisa Orlando Pirates ukuthi ingabi chance mele bayishaye manje bayishaye futhi nangale WS2 bavele baniki ba Crown Sundowns bayinike straight because we cannot afford ukuba neOrlando Pirates ama champions eSouth Africa kusho ukuthi umuthi kuzoba into straight number 1 mos so ke kumele siphile ngomuthi phela if iOrlando Pirates bafethi win league angeke amaqanda FC ya win league never.
uRilebohile Mofokeng when it mattered the most ngefinal eKaling knockout wakore important goal for Orlando Pirates
wahlula iPyramids
iPirates yayiwina iKaling knockout uRilebohile Mofokeng when it mattered most
wahluleka kuNedbank Cup final
uRilebohile Mofokeng scored an equalizing goal created another goal for Orlando Pirates
wahlulwa iCameroon
uRilebohile Mofokeng came as a sub injured Orlando Pirates was 1-0 down he came in wa create amagoal ayi2 yanela Mbuthuma wakora
uMduduzi Shabalala wangena second half wanquma iKaizer Chiefs ngoMay kuNedbank Cup so if so thatha abantu ebenchini sithi ba influential bafethu ayisebenzi kanjalo uMduduzi Shabalala as much as awumquba but wayibulali Orlando Pirates waqeda i10 years singawini cup
wathola ama chance awu3 to bring Kaizer Chiefs back into the game and keep them kuNedbank Cup wenzani wawageja way3 lawo mathuba lawo wageje way3 lawo mathuba lawo mentioning uMduduzi Shabalala noRilebohile Mofokeng in the same breath is disrespect to uRilebohile Mofokeng we can't compare abantu laba bobawu2 uMduduzi Shabalala has played over 100 games for Kaizer Chiefs he's never scored more than 20 goals how many goals has Relebohile Mofokeng scored how many assists does Relebohile Mofokeng have how many trophies does Relebohile Mofokeng have uRelebohile Mofokeng abakaze bamdonate trophy Orlando Pirates walwa he came on as a sub against Mamelodi Sundowns Orlando Pirates iskobe kwi1-1 wangena washaya uZungu ngetsipa washaya igoal uRulani wamhambisa uZungu uRelebohile Mofokeng ended icareer kaZungu uZungu namhlanje udlala kaMaZulu because of uRelebohile Mofokeng can we say the same ngomduduzi Shabalala uMduduzi Shabalala akaze adlala iAfcon uRelebohile Mofokeng has played the Afcon uMduduzi Shabalala akaze wakora igoal for Bafana Bafana uMofokeng ukorile igoal for Bafana Bafana uMofokeng I1 has better stats than ama player Kaizer Chiefs wonke ahlangene
okay yabona methi kule season ngiyamvumela umngani wami uMdu right lapho 100% but ulo uRile Mofokeng akanayo icareer kaLebohang Mabo indoda eyodwa lapha ngabashaya bonke kuOrlando Pirates la sikhuluma ngomuntu obaleke kakhulu washaya wonke ama midfielders weOrlando Pirates oMakhawula abana chance against uLebohang Mabo into ebhayizisa iKaizer Chiefs kakhulu lapha nabafethi masibheka imidfield yeKaizer Chiefs ayikho strong yes Orlando Pirates imidfielder yakhona ba better than iKaizer Chiefs but indoda eyodwa kuKaizer Chiefs uLebohang better than bonke abantu kuOrlando Pirates mawubheka badlala indiyandi finder bazinokuthi kuzodlala abantu ku midfielder lapha kuOrlando Pirates uMakhehleni Makhawula kana chance against uLebohang Mabo bafuthi ayile ngiyabheja ngayo just ukuthi i-team ayikho stable as much as ngidefend Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu ukuthi ayikho stable as a whole but siyabona kucoacha vele abantu abangekho well equipped ukuthi babe lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs but kune room for improvement iKaizer Chiefs ayigijimisa ileague khona bayigijimise for 8 years abayitholi ayigijimisa ileague thina nje sigijimisa ukuthi sibe unumber 3 yabo sibuyele ku CAF le abangayidlalanga bona babuilda Amstel Arena nje kuphela la oSipho Mbuli wastopa khona ukudlala immediately Sipho Mbuli mayibona Amstel wastop ukuperform.
Okay, asiyela. Yabona mawudebate ibhola, mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ama facts.
Yes.
Mawudebate ibhola mele ube nama facts. Lebohang Mabuwe versus Makhehleni Makhawula. Asikhulume kumanje.
Yeah.
The most ama-tackle, ubani win ama-tackle kakhulu kulaba boy2. CPT Makhehleni Makhawula.
Okay.
He's strong off the ball. Ubani kulaba boy2 who's always involved ku build up yama goal. Tick Makhehleni Makhawula. How many goals has Lebohang Mabuwe created for Kaizer Chiefs? Sisazowabala. How many assists does he have for Kaizer Chiefs? Sisazowabala. How many trophies has he won the Kaizer Chiefs? Sisazowabala.
Qeda ufika umuntu ona 6 months, una 6 months ku Kaizer Chiefs lo muntu lo.
You can never disrespect the reigning midfielder of the season just like that.
You can never disrespect umuntu owine ama-league than wonke amathi. You can never disrespect indoda ewina ama-league more than wonke amathi ama-player we-Orlando Pirates man ngeke
bafethu ngiyathemba balaleli niyazwela ukuthi le supporter le Chiefs lididekile. Lebohang Mabuwe has never won the league ne Chiefs. He's never achieved anything ne Chiefs.
Una 7 months uMakhawula una how many years le Pirates? Okay, yazi okay bafethu niyayibona le ndaba le ukuthi esiyasixabanisa but ngifuna ukumuvela to all coaches. All coach beKaizer Chiefs for mina bayangidisappoint but now
usuyavuma ukuthi udliwe the uthiwa ufuna ukubalekela ko coach. Sesiyaphuma kanjalo nje kuMabuwe versus Makhahleni Makhawula.
No Umabuwe okay I sibamba yimi.
Lebohang Mabuwe plays for Chiefs manje. Khuluma ngaye ku Chiefs. Ungakhulumi nge the past. Khuluma ngaye manje.
But okay yakhona into ishilo khona into ukhulume ngama assist ukhulume ngokuwina ibhola. Babheke labantu boba2. uLebohang Mabuwe uyakwazi ukuwina ibhola. Asuke nale move a-attack create ama opportunities and then kunenkinga yaphambili ya ku Kaizer Chiefs. You cannot blame uLebohang Mabuwe ukuthi uwina amabhola uya assist but abantu bahluleka ukora babhekane no goalkeeper.
Yabo blame him.
No umblame kanjani?
Talent does the exact same thing. Uyabaphasa umfukeng bakore. Uyabaphasa apolice bakore. Kungana ngaphasa ama winger wakhe akore makuthi
bayahluleka ukora phambili ngiyavuma but
kwazi ukora ku Chiefs yilokho kanikaze ngawina nga 3-0 this season. Kaizer Chiefs mayiwinile 1-0. Once Kaizer Chiefs yaba 1-0 down kunzima ukuthi nibuye. Ngicela ningibalela ama game this season like Kaizer Chiefs has won more than 2 goals. Wabale manje wena
Kaizer Chiefs izo surprise this weekend. You know why? Because wonke lama goal lawa iwabekela Soweto derby. Wonke ama goal bafethu Soweto derby izoshaya 4 goals against. Yabona 3 to 4 goals bazowashaya ama goal. Abo coach bayazi ukuthi lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs imatch engasave career yabo ku Kaizer Chiefs ile Orlando Pirates. Angeke ngishawe emaqanda FC. Abantu abahlulwa iCasrick Stars. Casrick Stars ngeke bafuthu iKaizer Chiefs ngaba ne bad run ne even na last season asibanga ne season e right e clean e perfect but when it mattered the most we saw Kaizer Chiefs lifting the biggest cup competition in the world, not just in South Africa, which is the FA Cup.
The biggest cup in the world.
The biggest cup competition in the world.
Please,
FA Cup.
Stay away from alcohol. Yabona mawuphuza utshwala uzocabanga kanje. Stay away from i-black label. I-black label ayikho right. Nedbank Cup is the biggest cup in the world.
We akamzwanga kahle. Tish makhelwane. We asimfundisi. Asimfundisi. Asifundise abantu. I-Nedbank Cup ibizwa nge-Nedbank Cup ngendaba ye-sponsor. But le FA Cup. So i-FA Cup idlala wonke ama-teams wakuleyo country lawo leyo. So FA Cup is the biggest cup competition. Any local region. In the world of football. In the world of football. Akusi world of umhlanga le.
Yekani i-black label again
ikhapu elirecognizedwa umhlaba wonke.
I-FA Cup yase South Africa right now ine sponsor esibizwa
nge-Nedbank Cup irecognizedwa i-CAF.
Siyibiza nge-Nedbank Cup. Yes, it is the biggest domestic cup, not the biggest
and then uphikisana.
Not the biggest cup in the world. The biggest domestic cup. Ngicanga ukuthi inkinga uyabona kubalaleli be-Chiefs nabalandeli be-Chiefs inkinga sometimes kubuye kube isilungu. Kube isilungu inkinga because abaningi abalandeli be-Chiefs abaningi abana matric. Inkinga ilapha. Nama player amaningi we-Chiefs awana matric. I don't even think umdusha abalala ufikile ku matric. If ufikile, I'm sure zikhalile zamshaya ipale.
But mtu asingabale yabona mtu asiface iqiniso. As much as isiphikisana ne but kumele silikhulume iqiniso.
Yes, asilikhulume lelo iqiniso.
Lipi cup eli-important eSouth Africa?
I-FA Cup.
Nedbank Cup angithi.
Yes, in the last 5 years ubani uwine kaningi between Chiefs ne Pirates.
Ubani current reigning defending champion?
Current reigning defending champion.
Ubani current?
Uphumile wena.
Akuna champion. Then who is the champion? Who is the current champion?
Champion.
Hayibo, imhlola ka James le. Imhlola ka James.
umuntu wesifazane manje mekashonelwa indoda bese sekazilile seka right akanandoda usingile akanandoda angeke azothi nginendoda usingile
lela couple ise natural lela couple ise natural abafowethu ise natural
wena una couple
uDupriz ulala ngalo lela couple uvuka ngalo
uDupriz khona manje is the biggest joke in South African football ubhekane nepala 1-on-1 wahlule kukora bafethu Ashley Dupriz is not Kaizer Chiefs material mara they are keeping him there that's why because there's no good player in SA
uDupriz somlonela ku Pirates uDupriz simlonela ku Pirates yabona uDupriz no Morris baya ku Pirates labantu la yabanika yabona laba abaye khona but deserve ukudlala ku Kaizer Chiefs
yazi the biggest problem ikuphi Bram mase sikhuluma iqiniso ne I don't think there's any big player in SA right now that wants to play for Kaizer Chiefs hence you are stuck ngabo Dupriz and the biggest problem is that ama support amaningi Chiefs keep complaining but yeah ama player ama team amaningi awafuni ukuthengisela Chiefs ama player no that's not the case ama team amaningi awafuni ukuthengisela a team engawini for call ama player if Ozuna Police went to Kaizer Chiefs khona manje kuba udlala kubafana still if uSipombule went to Kaizer Chiefs would he have went to the AFCON no if Ulebogang Mabuye went to Orlando Pirates he'd be playing his best football kuba uphasa abantu abakorayo khona manje
uvumelana nawe ngicela ukuvumelana nawe
if Ulebogang Mabuye beka ku Orlando Pirates khona manje respect me love to learn
ngiyavuma but ithi siyibeke kanjena ke bafethu lo muntu lo uthi awekho ama player afuna ukudlalela iKaizer Chiefs at the moment uyakhohlwa uthi into important kakhulu kuma player imali akusho ukuthi udlalela Orlando Pirates njengoba hlezi sisho ukuthi bathi idlalela ibatch ku Kaizer Chiefs bakulethe bakunika imali yangempela that is why nama player ku Kaizer Chiefs lawa angadlala o Morris maybe una how many months angadlali ku Kaizer Chiefs uyazi ukuthi ngeke adlale but ukhona ku Kaizer Chiefs because of wenza imali eserious eceleni ukuba associated ne Kaizer Chiefs wenza imali ukuba associated ne Orlando Pirates immediately ma retire namhlanje kusasa ubroke awunamali so ama player afuna imali nokondla imndeni yabo ama players awana ndaba nokuwina ama cup competition njalo ama player into important kakhulu for bona ama player ukhola imali kwamanye ama teams awuyihola imali even iSundowns ayibhadali more than Kaizer Chiefs ngikubalela ama players uke ku Sundowns bahola kancane wayo ku Kaizer Chiefs wathola imali eserious Urama wasuka kulo ku Sundowns ngoba babemnika imali encane waya ku Kaizer Chiefs ingawini nama cup akanandaba nama cup Sundowns akanandaba nama bonus Sundowns but last khuluma ngeteam emake sure ukuthi ezumuntu umndeni wakho uyakwazi ukuwondla awudlaleli ibatch namaqanda nokugeza ngomadubule
so as a player when your career matters the most you wanna play for a team edlala ama cup abalekile because kunama scout kunama chance okuya overseas
abathengisi ku Pirates
it's inqede you wanna play for a team a win ama cup a team ebhekwe national team coach ukuthi uzohamba uyodlala kubafana when as a player masomdala ubona ukuthi career yami iphelile I'm approaching retirement you wanna go to a team ezokubhatala kangcono that's why Chiefs always signs ama reject uRama meka ku Kaizer Chiefs bese kamdala yet nothing else to play for bekadinga salary to think of post career yakhe Jose Torielba makashiya Sundowns aya ku Kaizer Chiefs bese kumele acabange post career yakhe wathi ithinge ku Chiefs uKigen Dolly makasuka overseas he didn't want to go to Pirates and Sundowns ucabange ukuthi bafethu I need to secure a future meeting ku Chiefs because iKaizer Chiefs you only play for iKaizer Chiefs mangabe so yazi ukuthi in 2 or 3 seasons sengizo retire Thembi Nkosi Lodge hambile wayaladlala khona manje because ubhekile sengimdala I need money sengizo retire
uhambe ku Pirates wangithinta khona
that's why iPercy Tau
that's why uhambe ku Pirates ngoba imbadali uLodge
wacabanga ngeChiefs uPercy Tau makumela buye South Africa wacabanga ngeChiefs because uyazi ukuthi akuna national team akuna cafe
but asihloniphi iKaizer Chiefs
uzitholile zonke lezo zinto uzitholile zonke wabona kahle ukuthi ithi ngihambe ngiyoyenza imali iKaizer Chiefs is a retirement destination yabona masofuna ukuyeka ibhola hamba uye ku Kaizer Chiefs nami ngiyavuma uJimmy Tau left Orlando Pirates wa Kaizer Chiefs
bebangambhadali na ku Pirates bebambhadala 10,000 ku Pirates
Mbokazi now is playing overseas because he played for Orlando Pirates
bengekho imali ku Pirates
overseas because he played for Orlando Pirates
beyahola 10,000 ku Pirates
Bilakazi overseas because he played for Orlando Pirates ayingakhi ama player we Kaizer Chiefs asukile ku Chiefs ahamba ayo phesheya bayodlalela ama team abalekile alikho neli1 esingalibala every player in South Africa makafuna ukuretire uyahamba uya ku Kaizer Chiefs best retirement destination Kaizer Chiefs versus ANC uhamba manje usebenzela uJulius Malema masobona ukuthi umdala ufuna imali uyakuphi ya ku ANC because uyazi ukuthi lapha sidla imali Kaizer Chiefs is ANC
okay ngiyavuma but into ekumele sivumelane ngayo la ukuthi impilo zabantu lento awudlaleli ibatch abantwana bakho balambile awudlaleli ibatch abantwana bakho bahlala emkhukhwini awudlaleli ibatch nje just for a fun of ukudlalela ibatch udlalela imali nokuhola nesalary why udlalela ama team abhedayo bafethu angeke
akwazi ukuafforda i signing on fee abakwazi uku-afforda i-signing on fee. The only thing Kaizer Chiefs can afford ukubhadala ama-players ewakhathela wangayenzeli lutho Kaizer Chiefs. Bahambile bayosayina uKhama Bilad. Ukhama Bilad had already won ICAF. He had already represented Zimbabwe at the highest level. He had already won every domestic
simfundisi umngane wami kumele
wathi
simfundise.
megafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs wavele wacabangela into eyi-1 ukuthi sinzima isimo somnotho eZimbabwe. Awuthi ngihambe ngiyowenza imali lapha.
Yes.
That was the best decision because when you
Umholo,
play for Kaizer Chiefs, you don't play for the national team.
You play for imali, you playing for umndeni wakho, you playing for your future. Awudlaleli nje ukuthi ngifuna ukuthandwa ama-fans. Imagine udlalela umduba mfowethu. Awumazi nokumazi kodwa umndeni wakho balala bangadlanga. Why kumele uye ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Asimcorrect umduthi i-Kaizer Chiefs I afford ukusayina ama-player because of abakwazi ukubhadala i-signing on fee. Teach makhelwane bafethu simfaka esikoleni umntu akanawo matric by the way. I-signing on fee imali iplayer elitholayo mayisayina ne-team. I-Kaizer Chiefs they give you a big fat signing on fee. That is why abantu abaningi bafuna imali serious
ngoba ni sign ama free agent. I-Kaizer Chiefs alikaze lathenga i-player out of their contract. Each time i-Kaizer Chiefs signs a player, leyo player leyo ayisana contract.
uDupriez bamthengile. uLilepo bamthengile.
uDupriez lo number 1.
uDupriez bamthengile. Yes. 10 million.
Lo Dupriez lo abamsayinile lo bathi 10 million.
Yes.
What is he worth 10 million khona manje?
As forget about what is worth. Into ebalulekile imali yakhe nokuphila yena ezomndeni. Asibabala uDupriez. uLilepo.
This is how big his career is. uDupriez ingaki career ka Dupriez khona manje angaka ama-goal uDupriez akawakorile for iChiefs khona manje useless players. Kaizer Chiefs uyabona ama-we player eSouth Africa mafuna ukudlalela iChiefs either mela ubambe lapho ko 31 32 uzaya kuChiefs noma kora against iChiefs. I'm telling you uzoyidlalela iChiefs ngiphikise manje every player that scores against Kaizer Chiefs ihambe yabasign.
I-scouting department saku-Kaizer Chiefs ngiyavuma nabo kuneyinkinga kunama-problems amaningi because bascouta ama-players angadeserve ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Lokho ngiyakuvuma but you know why ama-players aku-Kaizer Chiefs because of bafuna ukushintsha impilo zabo. That's it kuphela bafowethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi lesehleli angazi nina nithini bafowethu lapho enibukele i-live emakhaya la nibukele khona ama-commentweni ukuthi nithini about lelona before simove la kwenye. Yes, i-Kaizer Chiefs iyashintsha impilo zabantu bafowethu. I-Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team in the history of South African football. Ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho ibhethu ye-Premiership. Ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs ama-brand awekho. Ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs i-SuperSport ayisponsi. Ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs le bhola leli eligenerator imali serious alikho. You know why? Because they bring eyeballs, ama-viewerships. Yangithola into ebaluleke kakhulu. Yes, in terms of ukuwina.
Sesibheke i-basketball na eyeballs. They bring eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Akanawo metric. Akanawo metric nimzwile. Akanawo metric. Eyeballs bafowethu. Akana metric ningamsoli.
Amanye ama-team agcwalisa i-stadium aletha and by the way yazi i-Kaizer Chiefs the way namanga ngakhona enawathembisa amanga yilokho ngithi Kaizer Chiefs ANC same WhatsApp group. I-Kaizer Chiefs bathi bona bagcwalisa FNB Stadium during the week kwakubona bona lokho.
Badlala ne-Sundowns sold out.
Again mele nidlale nobani ukuze nigcwalise i-stadium. Either you're playing Pirates or Sundowns on your own, you can't sell out the stadium.
Kaizer Chiefs
on your own, you can't sell out the stadium. I'm starting to believe Cyril Ramaphosa favor Chiefs. I'm starting to believe
Chiefs they are struggling. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs they are struggling to sell out ilo kunjani soccer city. You know why? Because of ama-fans are disappointed nge-management. Uthi management iyabheda but Kaizer Chiefs bayenza kahle. They started the season very well. So well that is why bakwazi to kuthengisa ama-fans. I think there was 75,000 ngoba bekudlala igame ebusuku against i-Sundowns. Ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs ayafuna ukuya stadium njalo bafowethu. But abafuna ukuya stadium i-Kaizer Chiefs mayidlala udodi. Yabo you can't support Orlando Pirates. By the way, Orlando Pirates yazwa njalo bagcwala lapha nisokelo Orlando Amstel Tshwala Zidakwa Arena ukuthi baphakathi eSoweto elokishini whereas iKaizer Chiefs idlalela eNaturena. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu abazi ukuthi iNaturena ikuphi. iNaturena middle of nowhere bafowethu transport like complicated middle of nowhere but ke bathole iKaizer Chiefs eyenza kangcono. iKaizer Chiefs ayiwina ama game ayi5 uzobona.
Ngicela ukunilungisela lo muntu wena. Number 1 iChiefs ijimela eNaturena mara badlala eNazarek Soccer City abadlalele eNaturena. Nazarek is a few minutes away from iSoweto. iNazarek ila neSoweto. Abantu baseSoweto especially abantu abahlala eOrlando abahlala eNew Canada can walk to eNazarek. So lo mjida lona bafethu ngishilo ngathi lento akayiphuzayo idangerous. The reason athanda ukubiza Orlando Stadium ayibiza athi Amstel Batshwala Arena it's because unonyiwe kumanje. Uyikhalele leyo Amstel leyo but unfortunately
ungangifanisi noSipho Mbuli. Ungangifanisi noSipho Mbuli.
That's why he's always talking about ukuphuza kwaSipho Mbuli.
Ungangifanisi naye.
Uyakhalela lo Batshwala lo.
Ungangifanisi noSipho Mbuli. Yeah.
Asiela, let's talk about something that really matters.
Sure.
Iyasuka iDerby this weekend.
Yeah.
Both teams come from Amalos I2.
Sure.
Chiefs, Pirates, which team has a better coaching structure?
Yeah, lay question bafethu. For me, I think Kaizer Chiefs ayinabo coaching ngiyakuvuma lokho. Lo ngifuna ukukuvuma kahle bakwethu. Yabo, Kaizer Chiefs ayinabo coaching. Kunomuntu ocoacha nge-earpiece otshela uBobby indaba laphana ku grandstand ukuthi efaka bani for ama fans. So ku Kaizer Chiefs ku coaching kumele bathole ucoach bafethu. If Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukwenza izinto right, nathi sikwazi ukuyidefenda kahle kulama platform bafethu. Ayithole ucoach o right ozoimplementa into yakhe right strong powerful. But ucoach weOrlando Pirates lo bekathenjwa kangaka besimpraise kangaka. Umude sibamse inyoni. Indoda ekwazi ukul-chest rap amadoda. Nayo i-confused. Awusazi starting 11 sabo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Bengine hope man ngoWadu. Kodwa na ama-fans wamjikela ucabanga ukuthi uWadu ungcono u-right well equipped ukuthi lead iOrlando Pirates to greater heights.
Owadu in less than a year second ama trophy I2.
Anga recognize
And Owadu in less than a year unama trophy I2. Owadu in less than a year he's produced ama player ahambile ayodlala ku national team. The only problem enginayo ngocoach Abdeslam Owadu, and I want to look into the camera when I say this. Yekela ukuletha imarumo Gallants ku Orlando Pirates. Masindi namthatha ku material ePirates. uTito Maswanganya ngimazi nokuthi iPirates amthatha bangaze amthatha ku SuperSport noma kuphi akasi material yePirates. Mpho Jabatsani is not Orlando Pirates material. Umsendami asi material yePirates. uDiyong akasi material yePirates. uCoach Abdeslam Owadu Orlando Pirates ihambe yamsignela over 15 players. He has all the depth that he needs to win the league, but if he fails to win the league ayikho into aka-achievile. Lama trophy I2 akawawinile khona manje awabalekanga kuthina ama fans, but he's definitely a better coach than ama coach we-Chiefs boy 2 combined, because yena uyi-1 but look what he's doing.
Yeah, yabona leyo coach bafethu noma kuthiwa ngiyadefenda Kaizer Chiefs coach abekho. uBobby wayangihli lapha phezulu azocoach ngoba phela yiba abatshela labo coach laba kumele bazicoachele abantu bakaMtawungu bafethu ukuthi bazicoachele i-team yakubo sibone ukuthi nabo masiba criticize singa cause manje bacasha ngocoach labantu laba cause abekho coach waye bangaqasha ucoach ozoba neauthority yangempela ofana noPito Msimana. Sisho uPito Msimana direct but baqashe ucoach esaziyo ukuthi uzoimplementa istyle sakhe bafethu esi-right esi-strong esizokwazi ukusiza i-team so coach beKaizer Chiefs.
The right question is there a coach that wants to coach Kaizer Chiefs? Nah.
Over 100 CVs. Over 100.
Does Pitso Musimani want to be a Kaizer Chiefs?
Yes, ushilo ku-interview.
Ululane Mokwena uyafuna yini coach Kaizer Chiefs?
Yes, uyafuna coach.
Is there a coach in ama coaching badge we-CAF ene license ye-CAF ene license ye-FIFA konke lokho coach lezi zinto abahlezi bazikhuluma ikhona na i-coach khona manje efisayo coach iKaizer Chiefs? Now the reason ni stuck ngalama coach la Y2 is because there's no coach, relevant coach. I-coach eyazi ukwini league ayikho coach khona manje.
The reason iKaizer Chiefs is stuck ngalabo coach laba ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ayifuni ukukhipha imali. The reason sina lama plumber lawa khona nama translator ukuthi abafuni ukukhipha imali yokuhambisa labantu laba.
Ayikho coach khona manje efuna ucoach iKaizer Chiefs.
Abafuna ukuxosha ocoach manje ukubahambisa. Bafuna ukuqeda isizini.
Efuna ucoach iChiefs. iKaizer Chiefs is not a team worth coaching khona manje. Nami manje nabangangithatha bathambi yo coach iChiefs ngithi ngicoach abani coachani? Ngicoach uDa Silva, ngicoach uMdusha Balala, ngicoach uMfundo Vilakazi. Ni business ayina ama player adlala kuma Phillies game, ama player ama team acacile develop manje. Orlando Pirates is developing relevant players who are representing the national team. Even Hugo Bruce manje makungathi uyahamba kubafana bathi which team in South Africa would you like to coach? Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns, not Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho i-coach in their sober mind manje who would wake up and say ngicela umsebenzi ku-Chiefs. Ucoachani ma ucoacha lapha? Ucoachani?
Ama-coach serious azofuna kuyi-coach iKaizer Chiefs ngoba azohola imali ehlakaniphile.
Yabona ama-coach iChiefs khona manje into ebalekile ama-ball boy because yiba bamamelayo. Yabona ma-uyithuma i-ball boy ukuthi gijima mfana yolanda ibhola. That's coaching kuKaizer Chiefs khona manje. Ngoba amatshela uFlavio Da Silva ukuthi mfana ngene espacini kore goal akakwenzi lokho uyahamba yokhahlela ama defender lemuva. Mawutshela uMdusha Balala khona manje ukuthi create chances akakwenzi lokho uthatha ama run besamisa amagula obvious. Mawutshela lebuhang mabuwe manje ukuthi bamba ibhola dominate the midfield shama pass relevant ubheke emaceleni ngoba akazi ukuthi uzophasa abantu.
Ulebuhang mabuwe yabona
if khona coaching khona manje.
If khona umuntu ekumele simdefende kuKaizer Chiefs uyi-1 uLebuhang Maboy. Bonke singaba attack if kumele siba attack but not that guy. Lo muntu lo is ayi-1 is bigger than wonke ama players weOrlando Pirates. I-football IQ yakhe is better than wonke ama-players we-Orlando Pirates. But into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ngabo coach, baningi ocoach abafuna ukucoacha i-Kaizer Chiefs. Akekho ucoach ofuna ukucoacha i-Orlando Pirates. Akekho ucoach wa-overseas ofuna ukudila ngomadubula. Bengibukela izolo manje bakhuluma ngokuthi ku-Orlando Pirates ku-change room yakhona uphuma udizi ngoba wazi ukuthi Nkosi yami benzani bayashunqisa nje lapha kula team. Ubani ucoach ozofuna ukuyogeza
uphuma udizi as ucoach because awazi ukuthi namhlanje
because awazi ukuthi lo baba nomkhabo lengayo usebenzise
Orlando Pirates.
So ku-Kaizer Chiefs ba-attracta o-coaches ama-world class coaches but
Unabi is a World Cup
Unabi
is a world class coach.
Yes, Unabi, you know what Nabi achieved.
I think abalaleli bethu manje bayahleka isisu size.
Right, Unabi, okay.
Kaizer is a world class coach.
That's not a coach.
Is he a world class coach?
Yes, Unabi
Kevin Johnson world class coach.
Unabi uachieve into uwadwa ngakaza
achieve. Mulifintseki world class coach. Mulifintseki world class coach. Stuart Baxter welcome ngazongitshela. World class coach. Uhlula bani? Better than who?
The most successful coach.
Balama coach i5 akacoacha ku PSL that Stuart Baxter has achieved more than man.
Okay, asikhuluma in recent years akekho umuntu one success.
No, but problem.
Into abantu abayibonile.
That's the problem. Peter Musimane is a world class coach.
Yeah, no.
Wonke jikelele.
Lapho siyavuma.
Rulani Mukwena world class coach. Ucoach Jose Rivero lo suka Pirates world class coach.
Lelo plamba
likube the best defender in the country right now uLentus umbekezela Mbokazi. Lelo plamba lelo introduced you to that guy. Nyachuluka
iliki azange ayiwine uJose Rivero wasibonisa ukuthi uyiscam. Ku-Al-Ahly wahlala 3 months. If he was a world class coach the way umntu washo ngakhona ku-Al-Ahly why wacoach ama-game ayi-6 nje kuphela. So Orlando Pirates mawubheka kahle ucoach abantu aba behind the scenes.
Al-Ahly has never signed a coach that is not world class. Al-Ahly Jose Rivero didn't need to win the league.
They signed him.
Akazi wa attractor akadinga ngokwini league kuza attractor ama scouts wangaphandle. Jose Rivero by the way
wenze kahle ku-CAF Champions League.
uNasruddin Nabi ufike kwi-Kaizer Chiefs bamupha i-Nedbank Cup. That Nedbank Cup was given to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yazi mawukhuluma ngabo coach uwadu yazi Orlando Pirates mnyanga
uhlula all the coaches that you've had in the 5 past years. What has achieved in less than a year? He's achieved more than our coach Ben by 5 combined now.
Okay. Uwadu akamhluli Unabi lo beka khona last season. Unabi win Nedbank Cup. I-cup elibigger than way 2 ama-cup Orlando Pirates abanalo right now. I-Orlando Pirates ubona ukuthi umquba udodi we-team bahluleka ukusayina uRulani Mukwena because bebafuna umuntu abazomlawula. Uwadu bamsayine after ukudlala ama-12 games.
Rulani Mukwena failed ku-Pirates. He was once the head coach.
12 games kumarumo Gallants. That is why
manje ku social media mangolibhekela ka Rulani Mukwena are frustrated. Bekadliwa bekuyinduku akutanduku ku-Orlando Pirates. He failed to coach Orlando Pirates.
But you said he's world class.
He is world class. But Oksala Orlando Pirates he failed. What I'm saying to you right now is Abdeslam Owadu I1 is better than all coaches Kaizer Chiefs has had in the past 5 seasons. Saka winner 2 cups. Kaizer Chiefs are winner more than 2 cups in less than a season. Right no man wrong. Kaizer Chiefs
Unabi uwine Nedbank Cup i-cup elikhulu nawo wonke ama-cup wase South Africa.
Yabona nifeyila kanje esikoleni that's why ungana grade 2 uyafana no Jacob Zuma. Ngithi mina khona manje AEP coach ku Kaizer Chiefs that has won more than 2 trophies in less than a season in the past 5 years.
Ngiyakuphendula la awufuna ukulalela. Unabi uwine i-Nedbank Cup. Nedbank Cup is bigger than MTN 8.
After how long?
Uhlale 12 months. Uhlale 12 months.
Did Nabi compete for the league? Who competes now for
yes ucompete.
But I number 9.
Bekakhona eliki.
I number 9.
Ukuthi laba finish naba finish at number 2 abayitholanga league.
Chiba United is also competing for the league.
Bakhona eliki baya compete labantu bakhona.
Number 2 is competing for the league. Number 1, you see the problem ngama supporter we Chiefs is delusion.
The problem abantu abacompete for i-league for 10 years bangatholi lutho bafinishes number 2 every season basitshela ukuthi this season yethu na last season bebasho kanjalo bacula ingoma eyi-1 labantu laba ama-1 hit wonder basiculela ingoma eyi-1 kahle this season yethu bebahleli bayaqala ucollapse. Orlando Pirates siyayazi every season bafethu second half of the season bayacollapse siyababona manje bayashaywa-ke manje namanje bazodonata ngama-points this weekend ku-Orlando Pirates. Yazi uMorris yabona ukuthi uMorris umquba kanjani usifele bafethu uzongena this weekend. uSilva uyazi ukuthi kumele ayipunish i-Orlando Pirates. Akusiyi team le bafethu ingawini league. I-team epromising. Uyabona lo muntu lokuthiwa uzophasa Nkosi yami uzophasa mnike nomunye unyaka bakhuluma nge-Orlando Pirates. They're always promising but when it matters the most bayahluleka bafethu. esigodini baye emgodini vele basigubhela umgodi ukuba unumber 2 labantu laba ayikho indaba yalabantu laba.
Bafethu, there's no point debating and arguing football nomuntu waka 2000.
There's no point debating nomuntu ofinisha ku number 2 every season but uthi uzoyiwina.
There's no point debating football nomuntu ongayazi number 3 kuthini ohliza abambela abantu ama-sport. Bafethu, kuyashisa e-studio, siyaboila. Kuzoba kukanje Saturday e-stadium. Siyoba siphikisana kanje sama-fan. That's the beauty of South African football. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates, the biggest game on the African football calendar. We can't wait. For the first time, derby matters and it's worth playing. Mina bafethu ngegama ngumdusibeko, ngijulukile ngikhathele ukudebate i-football ne-ANC.
Ay simtetelo umduba mfowethu sekakhathele ujulukile udefend isport sabo as number 2 siyobabona this weekend iKaizer Chiefs number 2 uhleli ku number 13 but mayidlala nale inkomo lezi zamaqanda kuzophihla amaqanda laphana ngeke usebenze umuthi wabo usebenza le Orlando kuphela. Unfortunately this time around siselo eSoccer City la iKaizer Chiefs
Soccer City
la iKaizer Chiefs ezobonisa khona iOrlando Pirates uthi umadubula awusebenzi. Danko bafethu.
Remember, the premise of the show is not to disrespect anyone. Maras, let's have a conversation as well as a ranking, lama conversation as well as a saloon, lama conversation as well as TikTok masman is pigisana. So let's la sita stotling in Jungabalandi Libebola. Ageko Zondo Munya, Ageko Telelo Munya, Ageko Fisukshay Munya. Join the conversation even after the show. Let us know who do you think is gonna win? Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs? Orlando Pirates, are they in the title race? Kaizer Chiefs, will they ever win any important trophy other than the Nedbank Cup? Win a season ago. Which team has a better coaching structure, Chiefs or Orlando Pirates? Is really more successful than the whole Kaizer Chiefs squad combined? Something like that. Thank you so much for watching the show. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you. Cereal's breakfast is ready for you to eat.